Hello guys, I have come back with a new video. The topic of the video is the erograph. In this video I will discuss about the erograph like the previous videos in which I have discussed definition, advantage, disadvantage, usage and specification and so on. So the word erograph is derived from the two words. First the erogon, second is the graphies. The erogon means to work and the graphies means to draw. So the literal meaning of the erograph literal meaning of the erograph which shows natural types of work based natural types of work done by an individual based on the stipulated times, and it was Geddes who first coined this term, and A.G. Oziliu who used this term first time, who used this word to measure amount and nature of work. A.G. Oziliu who used this word to measure amount and nature of work done in each of month done by an individual. And so this is the definition and advantage. This diagram provides subsurface information. This diagram provides subsurface information. And second is the seasonal activities. Seasonal activities based on time management remain useful in geography. And this is the advantage, and next is the disadvantage. What is the disadvantage of this graph? So इसमें lengthy data operational techniques. The data of in this graph is lengthy, and the operational techniques and that make errors. So this is the disadvantage. And second is the drawing of graph required a lot of precisions. When you draw it, then the drawing of the graph, it is a wheel type of graph. So the drawing of this graph is very precise. Required a lot of precisions, right? And usage of this graph. This graph can be used in analyze over dates, time, geography of individual or groups, organization. And next is the specification, right? What is the specification of this graph? The specification only in this graph, the only discrete data on time is required. So this is the specification of this graph. So thank you. I have tell everything about the erograph. Like you can see on the screen that what is the erograph and how it is drawn.